got our good old trusty reliable Deer Season XP ammunition right here. And I'm going to show y'all something on the box. Right there, if you look at that, you're going to see that it only goes to 150 yards. Well, today, we're going to find out why it only goes to 150 yards. Y'all go ahead and check out the description down below for some more information and stuff on the video, more in depth and all. And also, if you don't mind hitting that like button and subscribe button, it helps the channel out a lot.
Hopefully, we're going to learn the droppage, how the wind, strong wind affects it, and how well they group out of this. And I guess a little bit about the fire field. This is a 10 pound. I take that back. This is a 6 power. So this is even going to be more interesting. Shit. Y'all say we ain't even making it to the target at 300 yards. I'm aiming for the dot at the top. And we're hitting the dirt before the target at 300 yards. So if you're thinking your 300 blackout is going to go 300 yards, think again. Alright, I'm going to aim. On there. I'll explain where I was shooting and aiming at here in a second. Alright, this is a crap group, definitely. 1, 2, 3. But I was aiming here on the first 2 shots that y'all seen, was hitting the dirt right about there. That's, I would say, at least 40 inches. 3, let me see. My foot's about 12 inches. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, this is your scientific method right here. So about 40 inches we were hitting the dirt. All right, so then I'm sitting there, I'm probably aiming somewhere up in here, and we're hitting here, here, and here, which ain't the best group by no means, especially when we're hitting dirt before the target. But we can see how much the windage did push it over. That's about 10 inches. Yeah, it's about 10 inches. And that's what we're pushing at 300 yards in high wind with those Deer Season XP. So if you got your 300 blackout and you got it sighted in at 100 yards, and you're gonna think you're gonna hit a deer at 300, and you haven't gone out and done this at 300 yards, that deer's just gonna keep eating the grass that it's eating and wondering what's jumping over there. There you go. Deer Season XPs. Woo! Got bit. Are definitely ground hitters at 300 yards. That's about 40. I have to try them supersonics out and just see what those do. They're flying out about 300 feet more per second than these. Those might actually not drop as much, but it is what it is.